to my channel. So it's Wednesday tonight. Well, it'll be Thursday for you guys, but it's Wednesday for me. And it's another night I'm going to cook, because I always cook on a Wednesday. And today I'm going to have a go at making chicken Alfredo on the Slimming World app. So yeah, I'll show you the ingredients. This says you need 75 grams of dried tagliatelle, one chicken breast, which is in there, that I got out of the freezer last night, baby button chestnut mushrooms. I don't have chestnut mushrooms, they're just normal mushrooms, but I'm sure it'll be fine. An onion, some long stem broccoli, which I've got there, garlic. Again, use my magic garlic because I don't buy the actual garlic, and 50 grams of extra light soft cheese. I couldn't find it extra light, so I just got light. So if I was using extra light, it would make it 2.5 sins, but because I'm using light, it's going to make it 4 sins, which is not bad. It's still not going to take me over my sins for the day, so I'm happy with that. So yeah, that's what I'm cooking, that's the ingredients. So yeah, I'll get cracking and I'll check in with you when it's done, because I think it's going to be a quick one today, hopefully, because I'm hungry. So that's it done. It was a lovely and quick meal today, about 20 minutes all in. It would have been even quicker if I'd actually turned the saucepan on for the pasta. So that's why, if you see me waiting around a bit, that's why, because baby brain, I didn't put the saucepan on. So yeah. But yeah, it looks really nice, something different to what I've ever made before. But yeah, it's off the Slimming World app, so I'm going to give it a quick taste before I go and sit down. If I can get it any on my fork. Yeah, that's really nice. That's definitely something I'll make again. And it was so quick, which is good, because I'm going back to work soon, so I need to like find meals that are going to be quick, because it's going to be hectic then. But yeah, it's got to be done. Yeah, so if you've enjoyed my video today, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and join me Sunday for you, for my weighing update, and see how I've got on this week, and I'll show you what I'm going to eat all Saturday as well. So yeah, thanks for joining me. See you soon. Bye.